Ferrari contacted me. This was a nice surprise. I have wanted to film and work with Ferrari since the beginning of my YouTube channel. It's definitely not easy to get in with Ferrari. Let's say they are very selective. So to receive an email from Ferrari is quite the privilege. So with that being said, welcome to today's video. I'm currently sat here, well, you guys are currently sat on top of the Ferrari Purosangue here in the St. Moritz. And as I had already full plans recently, I thought I wasn't going to make it. So I rushed up last minute. As you can see behind me, the sun is setting. I've got around 2 hours now, I think, of light left to go and make the best of this car. So today's video really is just getting out for my first ever test drive in this car. So yeah, that's this evening's plan. What a nice way to spend a Sunday evening. So as today's video is very spontaneous, please bear with me. I'm currently on some side road just at the bottom of the Malloy Pass, which is heading up here, up to St. Moritz. This is the best I could find now. It's a very, very busy weekend here. And I found this nice kind of side road with a dead end. So no cars here for now anyway. So I've seen a couple on the street over the last couple of months, and every time I have had my mouth wide open when I saw this car. It truly is a thing of beauty, especially from the front, I think. Wow, what a good looking car. It really is a proper Ferrari. Doesn't matter that it has 4 doors. That's the magic of it. It's still a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari with 4 doors. I've just noticed as well, the wheels are massive. I know wheels on cars got quite big over the last years, but these are, what is that? That 22 on the front. These look even bigger. Let's have a look. 23, I had no idea. Okay. Lots of actual real working nice vents as well. Air coming through here, giving the car a bit more downforce. And now let's open up the doors. It is a 4-door, so let's, just like this, touch here. Door opens like that, and then you can pull it open. And there we go. How cool is that? So this really is my first time I'm with this car in the last 10 minutes. So probably at the moment, I know as much as you guys do, or maybe even you guys know more than me right now. But up to now, I've actually not had time to watch any reviews or really read about the car. I just knew that it had a V12 and it is truly spectacular looks-wise. I love sometimes coming into cars like this totally blind. Didn't read anything, so nothing's influenced my brain up until now. So this is really just a first impression, and that's sometimes really nice when you go out and drive a car and actually you don't know anything about it, and then you really find out if you love it or not. These beautiful bucket seats at the rear, also massage apparently as well. I think to sit in the back of this is a really, really nice thing. So just like the 296 that I drove a couple of months ago, I think this is kind of the same setup on the steering wheel. Seats were super comfortable coming down here. Leather everywhere, Alcantara, carbon fiber, all of the usual high quality materials. First impressions, which are always important. Yeah, good. I wasn't sure if I had to close one before the other, but that works. So before the sun goes down, which, well, it just about is now going behind the mountain, let's jump inside, wake up the V12 and go for a drive up a very, very tight and twisty road, which you will see in a minute. But I think this is going to be quite some fun. I feel like I've not heard a car like that in some time, especially in 2025. Wow, I've missed a V12. 6.5 litre V12, 715 horsepower. You've gotta love Ferrari. So, did you hear that? First thing I am going to say, and not for the last time, the downshifts. The downshifts, the downshifts, the downshifts. Ferrari know how to do it. On a V12, whoa. Rapid downshift, and it just sounds incredible. 8,000 RPM, high revving, naturally aspirated. My naturally aspirated smile is here today. Oh God. Should probably crank down this window a little bit. Let's let some of that V12 in. Oh, okay. I think I need a V12 in my life. I forgot how special this is. How did they make this so drivable? I'm going up one of the tightest mountain passes that I know of in Switzerland. And it is doing it with ease. This is really special. Oh yes. I feel like it's awakened my true petrol head again. Oh yes. Outrageous. Suddenly, I want to sell everything and buy a V12. This really is magic. And the induction sound. Oh my word. And I can't believe this is a 4-door car. Look, I don't know what I was doing with my hands there. I was already getting the Italian theme going. It just comes naturally when you drive an Italian car with passion. Look at that view. Sun's going down, well, sun's gone down behind the mountains. Evening drive. What I'm hoping is now Ferrari have contacted me and hopefully want to work with me more. I can book one of these as a press car with a bit more time. I would love to go on a road trip with one of these. Absolute adventure road trip car. This does make all of the other 4-door, I don't want to call it an SUV. I don't think Ferrari called this an SUV. Let's just say 4-door practical car. It kind of makes the rest seem a bit boring now. The steering, I can't believe how well this is performing. This is a super tight, narrow mountain pass, hairpin after hairpin. And I'm driving this like I would be in a 458 or something. It really is that good. Steering, suspension is spectacular. So apparently each suspension is working individually with the kind of motor. It pulls up and they push down. So it's always making sure you have maximum contact and grip, especially going around tight corners like this. There we are, top of the Maloja Pass. The drivability of this, the usability, but it's not just, you know, it does a mountain pass in a sporty way also. It really feels like I was just driving a supercar up there then. But then again, you can drive it totally normal, which I think I would find hard to do because it really is that fun. Oh, it's doing something to me. Oh my word. Oh, the whole car shudders. I'm driving like an absolute idiot. I'm well aware of that. No one behind me. Don't worry. Slowing down a lot and downshifting. Every time I downshift, I'm really sorry. There might be some weird noises coming from me in this video, but it's just like, oh. It's really, I don't know how else to put it. Flat down. This is a naughty car. Second to first gear is where it's at. Ready? There we go. I've definitely not smelled like this in a 4-door big car like this before. I've been excited, but not like this as I'm driving a supercar. That's what it feels like.